Welcome to Art Magic. Hey kids, do you like car? Let's create a cute little red car today. First, draw a big curved shape like a loaf of bread. Draw two big circles on the front of the car for the headlights. Draw a small oval under the headlights. Inside it, draw a few horizontal lines to make the grille. Draw some soft curved lines to show the door outline and make the car look real. On one side window, draw a tiny oval for the side mirror. Inside the body, draw two square windows with rounded corners. This is the body of your car. Draw a smaller curved line on top for the roof. On the door, add a small rectangle for the handle. At the bottom of the car, draw two big circles for wheels. Inside each, draw a smaller circle to make the center. Now it's time to color it. Color it bright red, blue, or any fun color you like. Use light gray or sky blue for a shiny glass look. You can add a little white line for reflection. Color the big tires black and the small inner circles silver or gray. Use light yellow or gray to show the lights. Color the grille and side mirror dark gray or black. Use light blue or white for a glowing look. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.